Right here, guys, this is a EUFY Floodlight Cam 2. This is a 2K floodlight with 2,500 lumens of super brightness, two-way audio, built-in AI detection. It's weatherproof, and this thing wires to your household, so there's no battery needed. This thing has built-in storage. You don't have to worry about monthly fee, no yearly fee, no fees at all, and you don't have to send data to a cloud because it's all stored locally, and you can connect to it and see all your footage. Boom, 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 boom. Ooh, free. Boom, boom. There's a camera right there. Boom, one. Woo! There it is, guys. Oh, wow. You can plug it directly into a wall, or you can wire it to your junction box. Nice. This is the camera. 2K lens right here. Boom. Nice bright lights right here. Ooh, look at those lights. One more light right here. 2,500 lumens of brightness. Boom. There we go. This is a motion sensor. Do not press the sensor. Remove after mounting on wall. That's your motion sensor right there. Nice. So there's your EUFY camera. You have the sync button on top right there. That's the sync button on the camera. Sweet. All these things can pivot all around. They can turn. You can set this up however you want. You have this direction right here. That's the up direction. You plug this into your junction box. You can plug this into a wall to test out if you want to, or wire it out that way as well. You have the motion detection camera right here. So you can orient this however you want. You can turn this all around, point there, point wherever you want. You have these little clamps right here that can allow you to loosen it, so you can turn it up and down, and you can rotate them all around. So everything is the same way. Even the big boy right here, the camera can turn up and down all around. It's ball mounted right here with a ball joint. This is a EUFY Floodlight Cam 2. This thing has 2,500 lumens, no monthly fee, it's weatherproof. Yeah, two-way audio, built-in AI detection. This thing is cool, guys. This is a EUFY Floodlight Cam 2. You can turn this to lock the rotation. You turn this one to lock the angle. Cool. This right here is a EUFY Floodlight Cam 2. This is nice, guys. This one can plug into the wall or into your junction box right here. Built-in storage, so no monthly fee, no annual fee. This thing stores the data locally. No worries about sending data to the cloud. This thing has two lights right here. Super bright, 2,500 lumens of brightness, two-way audio. You can talk to whoever you see from your phone. It's simple, it's easy to set up. This one has built-in AI, so it detects human or pets and alerts you accordingly. This thing has all these angles and adjustments, and it's simple and easy to use. Super sharp video with 2K resolution. This is a EUFY Floodlight Cam 2 right here. Oh yeah.